As a trader, managing multiple positions at the same time is not easy. In your mind, each position has its own target, its own stop loss, and its own risk. However, keeping track of all of them manually while the market is moving is where mistakes can happen. That's where Smart Exit comes in. You can set one overall target and stop loss for all your open positions. Smart Exit monitors your positions and exits whenever either the target or the stop loss is hit. In this video, we'll cover what is Smart Exit, advanced features of Smart Exit, grouping and managing of your positions. Let's get started. Smart Exit allows you to continuously monitor your overall account level P&L. So when the total P&L of these positions reaches either the target or stop loss, Smart Exit squares off all your open positions automatically. While this may sound similar to some of you, we have actually taken it a step ahead with some of our advanced features. First, earlier Smart Exit only stayed active during intraday, but now it stays active across your trading days until it is triggered or you manually deactivate it. So whether you're an intraday trader or you hold overnight positions, Smart Exit covers both. Second, in fast-moving markets, managing your risk, especially trailing your stop losses manually, is difficult. You might have heard about trailing stop loss at a position level, but Smart Exit brings it at an overall P&L level. Trailing stop loss is a feature that automatically moves your stop loss up as your P&L climbs. As your overall P&L moves up, your trailing stop loss moves with it. So if there is a sudden spike or a reversal, your trailing stop loss kicks in and protects the gains that you've already made. Third, once you've done your trading for the day and you've booked your P&L, the impulse to re-enter the market is real. That's why we built Take a Break. It automatically pauses your trading for the rest of the day once Smart Exit is triggered. And you won't be able to place any new orders thereafter. It keeps you disciplined and stops you from overtrading. Fourth, by default, Smart Exit covers all your open positions. But if you have a position you want to keep running independently, you can exclude it. The P&L of excluded positions will not be considered for Smart Exit. Suppose you're running a Nifty expiry straddle alongside a commodity position. You can apply Smart Exit only to the Nifty legs and let the commodity position run independently. Fifth, once Smart Exit is set up, your position screen will be divided into two sections to show you P&L based on included and excluded positions. This ensures that all the P&L of your relevant positions can be visualized independently. This is positions grouping, and it is not limited only to Smart Exit. Positions grouping lets you organize your positions in multiple ways. Here's what you can group by. Underlying an expiry groups your positions by F&O symbol and expiry date. You can also access the chart and options directly from here. Status filters between open and closed positions. Product sorts by intraday, MTF, overnight or delivery. Symbol type views by equity, futures or options. P&L groups by profit and loss. And as we saw with Smart Exit, you can see which positions are covered and which are not covered. Smart Exit is a powerful tool which helps you with risk management so that you can spend time on other things rather than constantly monitoring your open positions. Smart Exit is now available on both FYERS web and app. Check it out now and let us know what you think in the comments below.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.